everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have long hair and want to upgrade your look, braids are the way to go. Yeah, we have gracious braid hairstyles that are stylish, versatile and perfect for any occasion. Let's start with some simple everyday styles that are quick and easy to do but still look amazing. These are perfect if you want something neat and effortless. Next, we move into more details and trending braided looks, styles that stand out a bit more and can really elevate your appearance. And finally, we will look at elegant braided hairstyles that are perfect for parties, weddings and or any occasions where you want to look your best. As you go through these styles, you will notice how braids can completely transform long hair, adding texture, beauty and personality to your overall look. careful.